Okay, throw the leaves. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Too close. Oh look, Hannah's buried. Poor Hannah's buried in the leaves.
No, she's unburying herself.
Yeah, she's unburying herself. Woo! Party! Leave party! Woo! Okay. Okay, throw them that way. Throw them that way. I see you. Oh, you want to get buried?
I want to get buried.
Okay.
Not like this, like I want to get buried.
Oh, yeah. Yay! Leaves.
Now I want to bury myself.
Yeah? Woo!
Wait.
Gentle, gentle. Gentle.
Oh, this one either had 2 or 4 on it.
Ugh, yuck. Woo! Leaf party! Woo! Too close, too close.
Leaf in your hair!
Leaf in your hair. Ah!
Leaf in your hair! I'm going over again.
I'm getting attacked.
Leaf in.
Help, Joel, they're getting me.
Okay.
No, not help them. Help me. Oh, I'm so allergic. I need to not do this. I'm going to be so sick. No, too close, too close, too close. You're too big. You're too big.
Look at all those red leaves.
Ugh. Okay. I'm done.
No, you're not.
No, seriously, Joel, I'm really allergic. Like, seriously. I'm very allergic to tree leaf mold, and I probably
then-
shouldn't be doing this. I just wanted to get a video.